Hey, what's up everybody? This is an unboxing that I'm doing for a friend, Ronnie. This is your unboxing, you should be here, but we're doing it for you. Thank you, Ronnie. So, it is the SR16 made by Cyma, Platinum Sport Edition, you know. It's made by Cyma, the SR16, all metal. That's what he ordered. Let's get a knife. This is the knife. We choose the good old, you know, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. The package, the box. There she is. It is made by Cyma. It's electric, full metal SR16. Bam. M4. You know what I mean. So this was a $159 gun on sale from evic.com. And to be honest, for 150 bucks, this is a very good buy. Very good. I like how it's some of the comments on there. It says, stay back 100 meters or you will be shot. See that? Stay back 100 meters or you will be shot. I don't know what it says with the squiggly lines there, but. And then it's got that. Semi-safe and dexterous. You got quick disconnect, sling mount either side. Your bolt handle stays locked back to adjust the hop up with an ambidextrous bolt release. Works flawlessly, which is crazy because Knobridge, I got your SR15 has the same thing. Locks back, but for some reason it's just not this smooth, but whatever, right? $150 gun can do it perfect, but the $500 Knobridge has a little problem. But anyway, so this is ambidextrous, both sides, bolt release. It's pretty cool. You just manually close that afterwards, you know what I mean? Then it's got flip-up sights, metal. The front flip-up sight is kind of hidden. It's got a little push button right there. You just push it and flip it up. And there's your rail. Turn to a flip sight. It's adjustable, left and right, up and down, or just up and down. And you push the button again to lock it back down. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, all metal. Except the stock. But it's got a metal buffer tube, metal everything. So, it's a pretty nice buy, Ronnie. Pretty nice buy, man. So that's what you get for $159 on evic.com. You want to throw me a battery, Mindy? We'll get to see what it sounds like. You load the battery on this one, a little weird, but it's nothing. You take the rubber stock part off, then you peel this out, it just slides out. Then you find your wire. There's your wire. Now it's got enough room in here in the stock to accept. It's got a Tamiya connector, so bam, right? Plug it in, and your battery will fit right on either side of the stock. You don't have enough room in the buffer tube itself for a battery this big, but there it is, semi-auto. full auto. The trigger, it's a $150 gun, but still pretty good. It has a certain point where you feel it and then unlock. It's not bad for a white guy or any other color guy. But there you go. That's it. The Cyma SR16 full metal, $150 steel from evic.com. Other than that, that's it for the unboxing of this one. It's a quick one, I know, but what do you want me to do? It's a good gun. Not much to say about it, you know, except for good buy. Awesome buy. So anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching my video. Confirm Kill Shot 420. Make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. All right.